going to show you how to change your iPhone clock icon in minutes. Now let's go ahead and do that by basically scrolling down here first. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click this one and then click customize. So yeah, we're here. I'm going to go ahead and click the clock right here. And then I should be able to see here different font and color options. For the font, you can go ahead and choose from these options here. There are different, and then you can also see or adjust here how you'd like it to look. You want it bold or you want it like very skinny. It totally is up to you. Go ahead and do whatever makes you happy here. And then you have the color options below as well. So if, say, for example, I'm going to choose this color here, I can make the adjustment on how light it is or how dark that color is going to be. And then you should be able to see the glass option here as well. So yeah, these are like some of the things that you can do. Now if you want to make changes or if you want to make it like big just like so, go ahead and click the first option. And yeah, from here you can go ahead and make some adjustment by pulling this one right here just like so. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click the done button right there, and you should be able to have that as your lock screen from this point forward. And yeah, that's how you're going to change your iPhone's clock icon. I hope you have a great day, everyone.